Hello, my name is Dietrich and I build OS Studio. So OS Studio is a simple Mac app that helps you clean up your Mac. So with OS Studio, you're able to actually manage your storage and actually find out what's been consuming your storage, right? Here we are talking about local storage. So the idea came because like one day I kept on running on short storage on my Mac, and I found out like a lot of the storage has been taken up by hidden files that I couldn't really find through my Finder, and I had to go through all these crazy work where I had to use some commands on my terminal to be able to find the hidden files and their sizes, so that I can delete them, so that I can, maintain and manage my Mac storage. So I decided like, what if I build a simple tool that helps people to actually do that? So I came out with OS Studio. So here is how it works. So with OS Studio, you give it permission, it's gonna scan all your files, right? And find out what's consuming the most storage, in this context. And through that, you can be able to actually delete the files that are actually consuming the most storage. And that way, you're actually able to manage everything from a simple app rather than, having to memorize all the commands and everything. And yeah, and this is how it works. So you go in, it's gonna scan your files, and you can add more storage. It can be external storage, your Mac app, whatever that is. But you go through it, you find all the files, the hidden file. You can go all the way to the root files and everything. For example, right here, I go to my system, I can find what's in my library, everything, and actually be able to delete that and manage all my storage. But yeah, so for example, I can try one. Let's say go to user and try to delete the file. I can do that. Delete some files if I want to. Maybe some extensions. I don't know. One of us, maybe delete one. Yep. You move that trash. It goes trash. The stuff. Next time you scan it, it's gone. Yeah. So that's basically how the app works. And what I'm looking for is just like, for now, the app is on, a trial, and then you pay some fee for the license. But what I'm looking forward to is like people giving me feedback on this. Right now, it's like, I just made it simple so that it just works, right? So if you can, try to use it, give me feedback. If you can contribute some, I'll appreciate that. But for now, I'm looking for feedback so I can improve it. And I didn't want to automate it right now. I know a lot of people might be asking for that. Like, what if you just automate it? And I feel that's not okay, because automating, you can find yourself actually deleting files that the user doesn't want to delete. So I decided to avoid that, and for now, it's just gonna help you with like visualization and a place where you can actually some sort of like a terminal where you can delete files and manage your storage, and you can actually manually delete everything. That's what it does right now, and I'm looking forward to kind of work more on this and actually improve it from you guys' feedback. And thank you. That's what's up. Yep.